Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. Feel comfortable and confident that in this channel we will help you to grow. If you're a beginner, for those struggling traders, we are going to show you a simple, repeatable strategy that we can always be using in our day trading. This strategy is known as the Asian range liquidity sweep. We only take trades during London session, which starts at 2 to 5 a.m. That is where we look for our setups. So what are the criteria? Criteria number 1, identify the highs and low of the Asian session. Yeah. Second one, wait for the Asian highs or lows to be swept. Guys, don't worry, we will go to the charts and see. Then wait for a change of character with a fair value gap, then place a limit order with stop loss at the swing low or high, then target 2:1 RR. Guys, this is our trading strategy. This is our trading plan. Okay, now let's go to the charts and identify, do we have such a thing? Does such a thing happen? Okay, you can see, guys, we have this is something I was also trading. This is a trade that I took last week on Thursday. You can go to your charts and check. Okay, I forgot to say one more thing. We will only focus on Euro USD. Guys, this strategy can work in any or on any pair, gold and any other pair, GBP USD, USD JPY, but personally I prefer to trade the Euro USD. Now on to our first point. Identify, let me bring this one nearer. identify the high and the low of the Asian range. This is the high, this is the low, and it is marked with our indicator. The indicator that we use here is called, indicator is FXN Asian range, Asian session range. So it shows us the range. So this is the high, this is the low. Okay, now immediately the Asian range, we have identified the Asian range high and lows. We wait for the Asian range liquidity, either the low or the high, to be taken out when the London session begins. When does the London session begin? London session begins at 2 a.m. and ends at 5 p. And ends at 5 a.m. according to how we mark our charts, according to our strategy. So we will wait for this low or this high to be taken out. Then what is the next criteria? Wait for Asian highs. So has it been taken out up to this point? It has. Now the next criteria, wait for a change of character with an FVG, with a fair value gap. For those who don't know FVG, what it means. So the market was going down, this is a high, making higher high, higher low. This is a high, these are low, these are lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, then another lower high, then lower low. So this is the last high that we expect the market to take out or trade above, for us to know that the market has already changed its what? Its direction. So immediately we see this, we identify, do we have a fair value gap? Yes, we do. We have a fair value gap here and here. So if we go down to 1 hour, 1 minute or 3 minutes, we might find a fair value gap. But assuming there was no fair value gap, we wait for the market to come and retest this area. So what do? Our second criteria is place your limit order targeting 1:2. Boom, like that. As simple as that, guys. You see? Now let's go to another day. To this day, we see we have our Asian range, which is from here to here, isn't it? So you mark the high, you mark the lows and the highs. That is the high of the Asian range. So when the London session begins, we wait to see what it will do. So at this point, the Asian range was already taken out during the break. So we were either supposed to wait for this high to be taken out, or the market to go down and take these lows first. So what did the market do? At the beginning of the London session, the market came down and took out these lows. The Asian low was what? Was violated. Okay? Okay, we are good up to that point, I believe. Now, we wait for a change of character. This is it. This is a high, a lower high, lower high, lower high. So this high was supposed to be broken for us to get a what? A change of character. Leave that. This one was taken out because now this was our swing. This was our swing. This. We expected the market to make another low, but it did not. So immediately the market broke that high, this high, here. We had a what? A change of character. So we wait for the market to retest, but we first put a what? We first put our limit order. Are we together? We first put our limit order with the lows on the sweep of liquidity or here. But personally, I'd like to at least save my pips. So 1:2 or 2:1 RR, and this, guys, is what we do daily. As beginners, don't give up. This channel is there for you. If you have any question, kindly join us every day during our live streams. We only trade the Euro USD and we only trade the London session. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel. This channel will make your trading journey to be easier. This channel will help you understand the market better by focusing on one strategy. In this channel, we don't do strategy hopping. We don't jump from one strategy to another like very many channels out there. So guys, feel free to ask any questions or on the comments. Ask us any question and we will be able to answer you. Remember to always trust in God. Be patient. Be disciplined. And trust the process. Thank you for watching. Let's meet tomorrow or any other day during our live sessions. Thank you and God bless you.